Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play EFootball. Start by familiarizing yourself with the core controls. Use the left analog stick to move your player and the X button for a short pass. The triangle button executes a through pass, while the circle button performs a shot. Switching players is crucial. Use the L1 button to automatically select the closest defender. Mastering these initial steps will lay a solid foundation for your EFootball journey. Building effective attacks involves smart passing. Combine short passes with occasional through balls to break down defenses. When shooting, consider a normal shot with the circle button or a controlled shot by holding R2 and pressing circle for accuracy. Aim for the corners of the net to increase your chances of scoring. Practice these techniques to become a formidable offensive player. A strong defense is vital for success. Use the X button to press the opponent and the square button for a standing tackle. Timing is everything for interceptions. Anticipate passes and position your players accordingly. When defending against crosses, try to clear the ball with the circle button. Mastering these defensive maneuvers will significantly reduce the chances of conceding goals. Once you've mastered the basics, explore advanced dribbling with the right analog stick for skill moves. Experiment with tactical settings like offensive or defensive to suit your playstyle. Remember, consistent practice is key to improvement. Spend at least 15 minutes daily in training mode to refine your skills and become a top EFootball player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.